In this video, we're going to be covering how to install Bobcam for Rhino for Rhino 6 and Rhino 7 so that you have our Bobcam plugin loaded inside of your Rhino. So I have it as a download. Most people are going to get this as a download. You may get it on a disk. If you get it on a disk, all you're going to do is insert the disk into your computer, wait for it to auto run, and then basically it's just like running the download. So I'm just going to run this download that I have right here, the Bobcam for Rhino V1 release, and I'm just going to double click on it. And then we're just going to wait for that to load and give us our install shield wizard. So it should walk us through pretty much everything that we need it to. We're going to choose our language first. So I'm going to go ahead and choose English. And then just say next. And then right here is going to start preparing the install shield wizard to guide us through the rest of this setup. So we're just going to wait for it to pop up and pretty much just hit next until we can't hit next anymore, and it automatically installs. So we'll say next. Right here I'm going to say I accept the terms of the license agreement. You could read through the license agreement right there. And then I'll just hit next again. And then right here, I'm going to do a complete install. I want all these features and everything to just automatically get put on the computer, just wherever it finds it. It should put it all on the C drive. But if you are going to move things around, so if you want some set up for maybe a D drive, maybe a solid state drive, then you can use a custom install and install where you want to install. But if you go by complete, it's just going to install it right onto your C drive. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit next again. And then right here, all I have to do is hit install, and it's going to start installing the system. Now, it looks like it's going to freeze for a second. Just wait, and it will eventually pop up and start running. So I'm going to go ahead and let it run through. And then when it finally finishes installing, all we have to do is hit finish right there. And now to run that, you're going to go ahead and launch your Rhino 6 or Rhino 7, depending on which version you're running. And then in the next video, we're going to go through the registration and enabling of the add-on. And that concludes the video on just the installation for Bobcam for Rhino V1.